meat, 2 eggs, 3 corn, 4 baby corn, 5 carrot, 6 vermicelli, 7 golden needle mushroom, 8
I'm going to teach you about delicious to cook Thai suki. 1. Prepare a sliced chicken meat to cooking for the next step. 2. Seasoning chicken meat with seasoning powder. Then crack the eggs into a bowl and marinate together. 3. Heat the water over high heat. 4. Add the suki sauce into the pot, then stir until combined. When the water boils, add the marinated chicken meat, which will make the chicken meat not fishy and soft. We will crack the eggs into a bowl and stir the eggs together. 7. Put the prepared all vegetables into the pot. 8. Add a vermicelli into a pot. And then pour eggs and boil until everything is cooked.
And now don't forget a time to get a taste of it. I hope you enjoy this video. So I hope you join me in next video. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye.